All right, we have two exponential functions, f and g, and they're shown in the figure on the screen there, where g is a transformation of f. Which rules given below shows the transformation of f? So basically, I'm going to try to write this in some formal notation. What we're saying is g of x is some sort of transformation of f of x. But now, if I look at this, it appears that we just translated down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Now, this value up here is pretty close to 3. But this y value on the curve is pretty close to -1. And that makes sense, right? Because 3 minus 4 would equal -1. So really what we did is we just subtracted 4 from the f of x. That's how and what that does is that shifts f down 4 units. So I think that's basically it. Any questions? This is a really easy one.